Hi. So, if you provide corporate training, leadership development, mentoring, or coaching, and you want to reach out to the right people, then LinkedIn Sales Navigator is the best tool to reach out to those people, curate those people data, and after that start engaging with them. Okay. So let's say if you are providing corporate training, okay, so it's very important to first of all get the number of the people that should be working in that company. Okay, so let's say we are trying to find out those companies in which the headcount is more than 200. Great. So we have picked up 21 to 200 and 201 to 500 people. That should be the headcount in that company, and here we can find that it's more than 100 million active users are in the LinkedIn. So let's say if you want to check out that which profiles are more active over the LinkedIn, because if we'll try to engage with them, it's higher probability that they can respond to our comments, they can respond to our messages, and they can be happily get into the call with us to discuss like what the special we have to offer for them. So here we'll check that how many profiles are active in last 1 month, and here we can see that it's more than 4 million plus active profiles are active over the LinkedIn. That's great. Now, since you provide corporate training and leadership development or mentoring, so for that we need to find out the HR or learning and development manager of those companies, because those are the people who are responsible for taking these decisions, right? So what we'll do, we'll find those people. Let's say we are getting HR, human resource manager. These are the people. Learning and development specialist. Here we'll check out another options. Learning and development consultant, we don't need consultant. Director of learning and development, these are the right people. Okay, so for now we have selected two designations. The first one is human resource manager and the second one is director of learning and development, and still we can find more than 28k plus results, and these are the active people over the LinkedIn. Okay, and it's great. Now if you want to cater or select the people on the basis of the nationality, so let's say first of all I'll go for India, because so here in India also more than 5k plus results are active profiles, and now we can narrow down it on the basis of the industry. Okay, so if we'll take the industry, let's say manufacturing industry we can take, or IT industry we can take. Okay, so if we'll take manufacturing industry or let's say IT industry, okay, so still we can see that it's more than 743 results. And as I told you, as we'll increase the number of the industry here, the number of the results will also increase, because these are the directly proportional to each other. And once we'll start engaging with the people on the basis of that, because on the basis of each profile you will get the different results. Okay, keep in mind first degree, second degree, third degree connections that works in the LinkedIn. So if you check on that how many connections are in second degree and third degree connections, so here I can see that all the people, 743 people in this profile, are the first degree connections who are human resource manager and director of learning and development. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to save this list. Okay, and once we'll save this list, after that we can start engaging with them. Okay, and we can try to bring them over the meeting, and there of course after having a very good discussion, you can customize, or we can customize the solution according to their need. So this is all for it. Thank you.